In this session, I am going to explain the marking criteria for the Task 1. There are 4 areas that you will be marked on: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, vocabulary, and grammar. The first section is task achievement. This means how well you answer the question. In order to get a 7, you need to 1. Write a clear overview, 2. Report the information accurately and completely, 3. Include the exact figures, 4. Report the information in an interesting way, not in a mechanical way, and 5. You must not analyze the information or give an opinion. You only report the data. The second section is coherence and cohesion. This means how well you organize your answer. To get a 7, you need to 1. Put your introductory sentence and overview in a separate paragraph. 2. Use linking phrases, for example, in contrast, similarly, subsequently. The third section is vocabulary. To get a 7, you need to 1. Use a variety of words. 2. Use a variety of time phrases. 3. Have correct spelling. The last section is grammar. To get a 7, you need to 1. Use a mixture of verbs and adverbs and adjectives and nouns. 2. Have accurate grammar. 3. Use the correct tense. 4. Use a variety of sentence structures. In summary, there are 4 sections in the marking criteria: task achievement, coherence and cohesion, vocabulary, and grammar.